Wha Gwann, everybody. Today we're in Lambs River. This is right on the border of Westmoreland and St. James, and we're here to eat some pork. First reaction.
Season.
PNP lap, Labour right lap, Church lap, two of them standing on. Take care of people.
You know you go, man?
Yeah, man, I have to clear out this sign us.
Yeah.
I say everybody in the US have this thing now named Nazard. What name? Salad, Nazard, something for clear out the sign us. Come to Jamaica and eat some Lambs River pork,
That
like
is
pepper
it.
wall and clear you out. Not like stand up on a street corner in the country and eat some food, talk to some people and just fall a vibe. We're here now waiting on Maxine to come with the pork. The place that she used to serve the pork, apparently a fire got to it and it burned down. It was an old post office and now it's not there anymore, so I hear that she don't cut it up down here anymore. She cut it up on the hill where she's coming from and then we'll serve it in parcels. We have some first time Lambs River come people that are here too. So I go.
Jamaican.
Fear farm them come off, huh?
Right?
Right there, sir. Near Dolphy. Near Dolphy.
Right down here.
Yeah, nice gross Mitchell, man.
Sure that.
Yeah, man, put that back I road.
Yeah.
It's a word for the respect, you know.
Respect.
I have to buy some gross Mitchell. Support the local farmers. Oh, full menu this.
Yeah.
Waffle and wings. No, we're not going to do nothing. Look on the loaded fries, the taco hot dog, burritos, zinger nugget and fries, waffle and wings, cheesy fries, loaded fries, festival, pepperoni, cheese, barbecue, full house, mixed beef burger. Yeah, man. Yeah, Wha Gwann and that.
I don't have any bag to fit that size box.
You upside down?
No.
That's that. Nice. Yeah, man. Yes, Jaja. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright.
Proper.
Alright. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Here.
You're welcome. I'll give you some napkins.
So every time I come to port now, I have to come to pizza. Come out to a food guru and I have one of the most extensive menu I've ever seen in my life. Pizza right in the square of Lambs River. Loaded fries, nachos, taco hot dog, everything that them have in there. I try a pizza and see how pizza is here in Lambs River Square. Thing just reach?
Yeah. This is a future.
How that feel?
Yeah, we don't Charlie.
Respect.
Then I said no far. Yeah, big off partner. Or a couple far.
Yeah, man, up on seasoning, man. I'll take mine out before the crackling. Come, first time.
First time.
First timer.
Here.
Watch her.
Press the red button one time. Thank you.
It's your first time I eat this. Oi, no cursing for my thing. You know.
Sorry.
You want pepper?
Nah, pepper in my pocket.
Oh yeah, pepper.
First reaction.
Person.
Alright, so you know, get to see the whole work site, you know?
Season. Man. Tender.
Eh?
Oh my God, and it's tender freezer.
Alright, I'm Mr. Yak Bar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much. Yo. Yes.
Alright,
So it's worth the drive, worth the wait.
Hold on. You have put pepper on it.
Yes,
Extra pepper. And the pepper already, you know. Hold on, wait for me there. Wait for me there, Shane. Beg your fork, please. Thank you, Mr. Thank you. The smell alone. Been a while. Boy, that pepper they have some flavor. You can smell it. You ask so much up? My turn. I hope my shoes right with. Oh gosh. People come here ready. Yes, my shoes right. Hot. But look at the seasoning on this pork right here. Look at that. Oh, hot. Tender. How is it? Heaven. I don't know how you put pepper on that. I love the pepper, but jaja, bro. 100 years worth of recipe and it never failed to amaze. The taste, the flavor, and most importantly, what I love, the skin, the crackling skin right here. This. Oh my God. The flavor is just superb. It's excellent. People ask me all the time, what's one of your favorite foods in Jamaica? This. It's seasoned right though. I can't explain how well seasoned it is. You have to look on it to see where the seasoning is soaking onto it. And I got a piece of ribs. I'm put it on my hand and bun me. And me bun on. Brother. When you put it down, you have to pick it back up. Not like stand up on a street corner in the country. I eat some food, talk to some people, and just hold a vibe. The seasoning is amazing. Perfect amount of pepper, perfect amount of seasoning, whatever rub, the 100 years ingredients that them put in there. It's, trust me, one of my favorite. And that's it. This extracting the pork skin. It's like glass. Look at the inside there. Honestly.
Can I help my friend?
Help. I can't your birth time, I want help.
With the night, you know, when they bust a little sweat.
Yeah man, when the food, hey, good food make you sweat. Yeah, come back. We're in a fall, so me and Shane catch, but Shane left me now. I haven't had a soda in probably a year and a half, but just the memories I have here of coming from my grandfather from as a little youth and coming up to serve a proper Jamaican soft drink with him. Alright, Heineken. You just fall apart.
Let me.
Proper Jamaican as well. 1.5 years.
No, sir. Potato bun, my chest.
Pepsi link up. You want to get me back on this? Oh, that burn. Pure well with it.
What a beautiful crew. Me a join you. Me no care for none of them. Me love you. We don't that day, man. Making mistakes. We dance happy. All right.
Yeah, I want everything blessed, man.
Yeah, man. Me love you. No good. Good, man. When you know I'm buying down, we just be happy. Nobody can trouble you. We need AK. Blood.
That one.
Yeah.
Good, no, you go, man.
Yeah, man, I have to clear out the sinus.
Yeah.
I say everybody in the US have this thing now named Nazard. What name? Salad, Nazard, something for clear out the sinus. Come to Jamaica and eat some Lamb's River pork.
That
Make
is
pepper
it.
hole and clear you out. Make pepper hole and see them.
Good old
Don't need to order from Amazon, you need to order from Lamb's River.
Like, me not.
Right?
I'm playing on good music.
How you mean?
Sing man, play some good music.
Why you call good
Yeah,
music?
can't select something right now.
What whole heap of them good.
Sing one make we hear.
Me not sing, me act
You act.
sometimes.
Are we sure you're coming?
Me write four show. No place like home. Return to Jesus Island. Bob Marley and Countryman. You see Countryman?
How you mean? Are you righty?
Yes! Elsha! Hey, up at Elsha, he bust in a New York that day when Corona come in then. Yeah, I culture me show them, you know. I show them stamina and take care of people. Everything.
I mean, you care.
Yeah, you know good though.
Yes, man.
That's a beautiful crew. As me come there, so me see crew, you know. Family work with God. You know work with the devil and him.
No, none of that. None of that.
As me see God people them, know them. Yes, what a beauty. How no pretty and nice. You see blessing, that was money and material things. A blessing are the best.
100%.
But if you're there today and you know about dollar and God say if you get 9 million, you to buy tomorrow you have 9 million.
Cheers.
Then we just say, you know something not talk good about them. You good though?
Yes, man.
Stand up in the fire. You know good.
Yeah, man.
I mean, you know me like you don't know how
Turn
to
up
travel
the
with
fire,
man.
get burned.
Come on.
Come on, shit. When you turn up in the fire, I turn up in the fire, but me get burned.
At least I never burnt.
That the one there, huh?
God bless you. You alright?
Yeah, man, bless you up yourself. Send me to man.
You know, anyway, in the world, and you tell them to land over. Tell them to marry your cousin and marry your uncle and marry your anything, you're good.
All right. Anyway, in the world.
Anyway, in the world, from here to Africa. Yes. You hear what Buju sing? He said when you see the beauty of this,
That place there.
The beauty of the highway, listen. You don't have a problem with me. You know, all right? We're nice, man.
Yeah, man.
Happy.
Happy.
Then the fire, they ain't one another. They, all right, you know, see what happened? PNP lap, labor right lap, church lap,
School lap.
the school took out the not teach people them wrong. The best school I know I had. Can in teach you. The heart better government.
Man, not chat. No foolishness. A real talk matter. Yeah, man.
Each one them in your job. the PNP, me a PNP, you know, let me tell you. It's a
Alright.
dirty. All of them laugh.
No politics.
All of them laugh.
Yeah, they could be here. Alright, sir.
Cheers. Give thanks.
Yeah, man, bless it. Manners. So when the one for the first time on Lambs River, I trod behind slowly.